Okay, now these are the formers that are available, okay, for us to try out. And in fact, these are the formers submitted by students and candidates for the exam. Okay?
This is the one with the wood there.
Yes, correct. Okay, so you see that. Okay, can you tell me what you observe with regards to the former?
Smooth wood.
You haven't even touched. It says smooth.
Oh, smooth.
How you know it?
Rough.
Experience?
The edges isn't sharp.
Okay, the edges are not sharp, and you notice that even though you have what do you call that, sharp edges, you notice that the sides here are all smoothened.
Yes.
Okay.
So it won't stab you. Smart class, yeah.
Okay. What's the reason?
So it
So
won't
that
stab
it
you.
doesn't create a sharp edge.
Oh yeah, then when you do
doesn't
the vacuum
create-
forming, it doesn't poke.
Okay, because if it's too sharp, it will actually cause the plastic to be punctured. Okay, all right. And also, the surfaces, like what Zenden has mentioned, it has to be really sand down very, very smooth. Okay, all right. Now, any questions before we move on?
No.
Any questions? Now, you can actually come up with interesting shapes, alright? Doesn't mean that you are going to stick to geometrical shapes only.
Interesting.
Okay? Alright. What is that material?
Plastic. Acrylic.
Oh, that's not acrylic.
This is plastic.
This is PVC, sorry.
Plastic.
PVC is what?
Okay? And this is also this is polystyrene. Now,
my
can
face.
you touch the difference?
Let me just feel. Oh, that was a good boy.
Why? Wait.
Oh, I got one so oily. Why I got one not oily?
So
one?
dusty.
You know your hair is oily.
The white one is it?
Oh, I didn't even use
Yeah.
my hand. Yeah, that's true. I used my hand.
Okay, now if your design is super good and if you can really master the vacuum forming process, we would give you acrylic. Acrylic would be much nicer lah because it's got color and then you can choose between opaque, translucent.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, but the condition is your former must be well done. And
But
you
you
must
go-
know how to operate the machine. Otherwise,
it's not
we'll just
Lego.
give you PVC or polystyrene. Okay? Okay, alright, we're gonna proceed over to this side. Shall we?
This is the vacuum forming machine. Okay, so now I'm going to show you parts of the machine. Okay, basically the first is the on and off switch. Okay, followed by the clamping area here. Okay, where you have the toggle clamp. Okay, and then followed by the heating element. Okay, the heating element is actually the part is at the bottom of this platform. Okay, then followed by the this is the heating element zone which is attached below the platform. Okay, and so these are the dial. Okay, that actually you can control the temperature of the individual heating element. So this is a timer where you set to how many second that you going to heat up the material. Okay, this is the lever. Okay, for you to elevate the platform. Okay, before you start doing your vacuum forming. Okay, and also to lower down the platform. Okay, and what we have here, is the switch that you on the vacuum forming. Okay, and then the lever here is for you to release the air out instead of vacuum, right? To release the air out to loosen the former and the product. Okay, this is the former. that's already been made. Okay, so you see all the edges are rounded. Okay, and then after that is best that you tapered a bit, so that it's easier for you to remove from the former.
Gentle, huh?
Oh, look at
Okay, we place a piece of cardboard, okay, on top the bench, workbench, so that you won't dirty the top of the workbench. Okay. Okay, as a safety precaution, right, you need to wear the cotton glove here. Okay, make sure it's in the middle. Okay, and then lower down the clamp, and then you need to tighten the clamp. Heating to 90 seconds. Right, okay, then what you do is you got to put down the heating element. Okay. Elevate the platform. Okay. Once done, what you do is you on the vacuum. Okay. Okay, until it's formed. Okay, so you got to wait for a while for it to cool down. Okay, and then we reverse the process. Okay, by lower this lever. Okay, actually. Sometimes you use a wet cloth, okay, just to cool down the forming. Push this lever down to reverse the blowing of the air out, so that it's easier for you to off the vacuum, unclamp. Take out your workpiece. Okay, and then to remove this thing, you have to